Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add Payoneer account in Fiverr. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just type right here Fiverr, right? And basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just download the app or update the app to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser, and if you want to set up your Payoneer account or set up Payoneer as a payment method in Fiverr, just go ahead and log in and switch to selling, and then click my businesses, and then earnings, and then click manage payout methods and verify that it is you. Choose your preferred verification method, SMS call, and afterwards select the Payoneer account as your payout method of choice and set your preferred currency. Basically you can set Payoneer, and you can set also PayPal as a payment method as well. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.